What's up, everybody? Back at it again with another video. It's gonna be a pretty quick one. Today I'm gonna be cleaning the pistons for my SR, and I'm gonna take you along for the process. So as you can see, I've already cleaned 3 out of the 4. That's what they look like before, not what they look like after. So I'm cleaning them, and then I am trying to polish them as much as I can, just to it helps prevent carbon from building up on them again, just because they're smoother. So, first step I'm going to do is going to use some PB Blaster, and I'm just going to spray it on there, and then I'm going to use Scotch Brite pad to clean it off. So, here we go. Alright, so I got my piece of Scotch Brite, and now I'm just going to start scrubbing. So that's just after one pass. Pretty good. Do it again. So I'm going to spray a little bit on the side to try and clean this off. You don't want to go too hard on the sides because it's not really the best, but I'm going to clean it up a little bit. It's pretty clean. Still got one spot I got to get right there. Alright, so now you can see the sides are all nice and clean. I'm going to do a little bit more on the top. So that's pretty much all clean there. You could stop right there, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and polish them up a little bit. But really, you could just send it just like that. Oh yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and polish it. I'm gonna start with 500 grit, go to 1200 grit, and then go 2000 grit, and then finally finish off with 5000 grit. Give you a quick before. Okay, now let's give her a polish. Alright, so that should be good for the 500 grit. I can tell it's a little shinier. Next, we're going to go to the 1200 grit.
Alright, so that's what we're looking like after 1200 grit. Next is 2500. Scratch that, 2000. Alright, here's what we're looking like after 2000 grit. Now we're going to finish off with 5000 grit. Alright, so there's the finished product. As you can see, it's nice and polished. You could go a little farther and get some like polishing compound and polish it, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm pretty happy with the way it looks.
So as you can see, all the pistons are ready to go, nice and polished up. Hopefully that's going to prevent some carbon buildup. We'll see, I guess. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Got the pistons all cleaned up. Pretty happy with the way they turned out. Can't complain about that. They almost look new, really. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.